In this video, you'll learn how to make calls, send messages, and communicate on WhatsApp directly inside Guest Post CRM without using any external apps. Guest Post CRM integrates Twilio's communication API to power calling, SMS texting, WhatsApp messaging, two-way conversations, call recording, and instant delivery with global reliability. Everything happens inside one platform. No extra tools and no manual number saving. To make a call, open any contact inside Guest Post CRM and click the Call button. The built-in dialer connects instantly through Twilio, allowing you to speak directly from your web interface. Every call is logged automatically in the timeline, including duration, call status, your notes, and the recording if it is enabled. You can also send SMS messages with one click. Open the contact, choose Send SMS, type your message, and send. Guest Post CRM delivers it instantly using Twilio, and every SMS is recorded in the timeline for complete communication tracking. Guest Post CRM also lets you send WhatsApp messages directly from the CRM. Write your text, attach files if needed, and send with a single click. This is ideal for sharing articles, confirming metrics, sending payment screenshots, answering quick questions, or delivering live link proofs. And just like calls and SMS messages, every WhatsApp message is stored automatically in the timeline. Instead of juggling Gmail, WhatsApp, your phone, SMS apps, spreadsheets, and other chat tools, Guest Post CRM brings everything together. Email, calls, SMS, WhatsApp, and your timeline all live inside one organized workspace. Communication becomes smarter as well. Guest Post CRM alerts you about unpaid orders, warns you about defaulters, flags risky IP addresses, provides message templates during negotiation, and prepares suggested replies using AI. Every interaction is tracked and linked to deals and conversations. This helps you close deals faster, resolve issues in minutes, reduce payment delays, build stronger trust with buyers, and maintain clean, centralized records of every conversation. With Twilio fully integrated into Guest Post CRM, you can call customers, send SMS reminders, message on WhatsApp, log every interaction in the timeline, and manage deals and communication in one powerful system. Guest Post CRM becomes your complete communication hub,